I am Praveen Shukla from Christchurch Convent, and I welcome you in our digital classes. I am here with my subject English for class 12th. Next chapter we have, that is chapter 4, Dream Children or Reverie. Okay. In previous video I have explained you the third chapter, that is a goodbye party for Miss Puspa T.S. I sent you the question answers also, and hope you have written them in your notebook. Now chapter 4, that is Dream Children or Reverie. Author Charles Lamb. Okay, he's a very famous essayist. Okay, he was called Prince of English Essayist. Okay, about his life, he did a clerkship, means he did a clerical job in South Sea House, and afterwards he joined East India Company, right, and worked till his retirement. So this is the short description about the author. Okay. Yes, a short description about the prose. It is an autobiography. Okay, autobiography means it is all about the life of the writer. Okay, means Mr. Charles Lamb has shown us a part of his life. Okay, and in this chapter we uh, try to understand the feelings of the writer towards his life. Okay, because he is very lonely and disappointed with his life. Why? She always wants to have a family, but in his real life he was denied to do so. Okay, so that is why he was very disappointed with his life. So let's have the next. Okay, now we will start our explanation about the chapter. So, this chapter has been written by Mr. Charles Lamb, and it was written when he was just 50. Okay, and it is very clear after reading this chapter that he uh, doesn't have a good experience of his life. Okay, he is alone, he is very disappointed with his life. Okay, he wants to have a beautiful family, like a beautiful wife with two children, but it is totally denied to him, and he is alone now. Okay, one by one all his dear ones leaves him alone. Okay, so if I talk about his dear ones, so who are they? First, his grandmother, that is Madam Field, means Mrs. Field, and second, his elder brother, that is John Lamb, and the third one, his girlfriend. Uh, Actually, she has two different names. One that is real name, and another one that is his imaginary name. Okay. So what is imaginary name? That I'll tell you later. Here I'll tell you his real name, and his real name is Anne Simmons. Okay. So Anne Simmons, she is his girlfriend, and she denied him to get married. So what is the real story and how all happens? Let's start it. So Mr. Uh, Charles Lamb, he always feels alone and he always wants to have a life, and he always dreams about his beautiful life. So one day he was dreaming about his life, and he saw there that he had two beautiful children. One is Alice, the daughter, and another one is John, his son. Okay, means Charles Lamb was dreaming about his life, and in his dream he saw that he had two children. One is daughter, that the name was Alice. Another one is a son, and the name was John. Okay, don't forget, his elder brother's name is also John Lamb. Okay, but here in his imagination, okay, he was taking his son's name John. Okay, got it? So all this was total imagination of Charles Lamb, and these children are totally imaginary children. Okay, so this is about the starting of our story. Okay, means Charles Lamb is dreaming about his family so he was first, he assumed that he had two children, Alice the daughter and John the son, but they are actually imaginary children. Okay, so now what the writer is telling us, he told us that children always love to listen about their ancestors, means and especially those whom they never saw. Okay, so same situation was there with Charles Lamb, and his children wanted to listen about their ancestors, and first they wanted to know about their great grandmother, means Charles' grandmother. About Charles' grandmother they wanted to know. Okay, so first Charles Lamb started telling about his grandmother, and her name was Field, who lived in a great house in Norfolk. Okay, he lived in a great mansion. Okay, and he started telling about his grandmother Field, and he informed and he told so many things about her, and he started telling that she is a very religious lady. Okay, and everybody loved him and respected him just because of his very humble nature. She was a great caretaker of the great house. Okay, though she was not the mistress of that house, but she cared the house in such a way that everybody would take her as the owner of the house. Okay, but in reality she was not. Okay, the owner of the house means appointed her as the caretaker of the house, and gave all the authority and responsibility of the house to her. Okay, and the owner had left to another house. Okay, so this is all about the grandmother Field. In addition, she used to love all grandchildren, but she liked most John Lamb, the elder brother of Charles Lamb. Okay, here I am talking about John Lamb, who is elder brother of Charles Lamb. Okay, and still there is a name John, who is the imaginary boy of Charles Lamb. Okay, so don't be confused. Okay, again he told about his grandmother felt that she was very tall, upright and graceful lady. She was a very good dancer, but at the end she died of cancer, and she was in great pain when she died. And her funeral was attended by everyone. Everybody came to show their respect towards the lady. So this is all about the grandmother field. Okay, so now when the children came to know that it is over about the grandmother field, then again they wanted to listen about their uncle, means elder brother of Charles Lamb. They wanted to listen, so Charles Lamb started telling about him. John Lamb, Charles' elder brother. Okay, so he started telling. Yes. So first, uh, he told the children that he was loved most by grandmother, as he was a handsome and spirited youth. Okay, he loved the great house, especially the garden. Okay, and he used to go in the garden, and he wanted to spend some solitary time in the garden, but the gardener didn't like this, because the children used to pluck the flowers and the fruits from the garden, so it was not liked by the gardener. Okay, Charles Lamb, the writer, as I told you, that he is a lame-footed man. Okay, so Mr. John Lamb used to carry the writer upon his back. Okay, and he loved Charles Lamb a lot. Okay, as a brother, as a elder brother, he always loved his younger brother Charles Lamb a lot. Okay, afterwards he too became lame-footed and died in great pain. Okay, means afterwards Mr. John Lamb also got some infection in his leg, and he became a lame-footed boy, and he died with a great pain. Okay, so now as you can see that he loved his grandmother and his grandmother and his elder brother, but they both had died. Okay, left him alone. Okay, but here it is in Charles Lamb's dream. Okay, and he was telling a story to his imaginary children, Alice the daughter and John the son, and they want to listen about their ancestors. Okay, and now they uh, wanted to know about their mother. Okay, now as Charles Lamb started telling about their mother, and the name of their mother is Alice W. Now don't be confused. Here Alice W means the mother and Alice means the daughter. Okay, Alice, this is the imaginary name of his girlfriend, that is Anne Simmons. Okay, this is the imaginary name. Okay, now he started telling about Alice, the mother, and he said that there were some similarities between Alice, the daughter, and Alice, the mother, and he told that they both were similar with their eyes and their hair, and he told that and as he told that his girlfriend denied to get married, means the girlfriend didn't get married with the writer, and this, as this was listened by the imaginary children, the children became disappeared. Okay, means suddenly they disappeared from his views. Charles Lamb now, he was totally unable to see their children. Okay, why? Because they are imaginary children, and as they listened that their father didn't get married with their mother, then there was no existence of our, means there is no existence of their life and their life. Okay, so they just disappeared. Okay, so now see that grandmother failed, his elder brother and his girlfriend all had left alone to Charles Lamb. Okay, so this is all about his loneliness and disappointment of his life. And now when he got up, then he realized that he was just dreaming about his life, and in his dream he was thinking about his two children, and he just saw a beautiful story. Okay, I think you all have seen a movie like Lage Raho Munna Bhai. Okay, and there you have seen that there is a disease with Mr. Sanjay Dutt, name, that is hallucination. Okay, means in that situation he assumes something, and he thinks that it is going to be happen in real life, but it is not like that. Okay, so the same condition is with Mr. Charles Lamb. He used to think about his life, but it was not like that. Okay, so out of his thinking about his life, he uh, uh, thinks about his life and imagine a nice family, but in real life it was denied to him. Okay, so it is all about the story. Okay, again I'll send you the question and answers, and let me know if there is any confusion. I'll send you the video once again with means after making proper correction. Okay, but let me know. I'll send you the question answer. Just finish it off. Thank you. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.